وأنا مسلمة أمريكية.
اسمي أمريكية وأنا أمريكية إيطالية. نحن مع النساء السعوديات في قيادة السيارات.
إن شاء الله أشوفكم بالسيارة بالألاف في يوم الجمعة. And if you want to show your support, please come to our rally tomorrow, June 15th from 12 to 4 p.m. outside the Saudi Embassy. No women, no playing.
My name is Krista and I support Saudi women driving on June 17th. And ladies, don't forget to adjust your rear mirror.
How much do I support the June 17th Saudi Women's Driving Initiative? This much. Honk if you support the Saudi Women's Driving Initiative. Upload your videos to YouTube and send the URL to honkforsaudiwomen@gmail.com.
I'm Alice, and I support Saudi women driving on June 17th.
I'm Eric. I support Saudi women driving on June 17th.
My name is Larry McCullough. I support Saudi women driving on June 17th.
I've been driving for decades and don't plan to stop anytime soon. It's high time Saudi women started driving. I support the Saudi Women's Driving Initiative.